Anna and
Sierra and Haley.
And today, you all are probably wondering what we're gonna do. Well, guys, if you check out the title, you'll know.
So guys, if you didn't read the title, it is we are turning in Play-Doh into slime, butter slime. And guys, make sure. And guys, welcome back to my channel and my sisters, and Sierra's, and guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want us to do, and share. And
without further ado, let's get on to the
video.
Let's go.
What you need right now for this is Play-Doh. I got green and blue. And I got pink.
And then I got these colors.
Gold. And then you'll need some laundry detergent.
The Play-Doh. And knead it to make it softish.
Mine is already really soft. I'm gonna knead it.
So mine is difficult because I haven't taken it out yet. No.
We've been mixing all for like the whole video.
Like you've been playing with it.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, mine are really good. So like guys, let's make it to a little like really soft.
Okay, well
so then
first let me finish.
I'll just open up the container.
But don't use it yet.
No, I won't.
There. Okay, so see guys, I got all my Play-Doh out.
Me and Sierra already got all our stuff out. This Hannah has to. I might only make one, but mix those.
Don't judge. So see, I got the bright pink and then this blue. Adding little bits of this laundry detergent at a time. So how are we gonna do this for me? So I'm gonna use this container, the lid, and I'm just gonna pour it in.
You don't really need
just
that much.
Not much, just a tiny bit. Then so I'm gonna start with my blue one actually. What are you gonna start with?
I'm gonna start with my green. I'm gonna start with my pink.
So I'm just adding in the laundry detergent all over this. The hold out on your skin.
Guys, this made a cute sound actually.
Yeah, really. So I'm making my butter slime.
I'm going ham on Instagram.
Going ham on Instagram. I don't know what that's from. Just saying.
Oh my god, you can tell.
Okay, you put too much.
Take some. I'm gonna put some in this.
So I think that somebody named Sierra may have put too much laundry detergent in hers.
I think I did.
So here's my.
Oh no, it's still good, isn't it?
I guess.
It will turn into butter slime. I'm gonna mix mine. Just say that.
No, I'm very careful and cautious, so I don't put that much in when I do it.
Actually.
Oh, just kidding.
You're really cautious, Hannah?
I put a
Say
lot
that,
in.
huh? You really cautious?
That's a problem.
So I'm just gonna use some of hers. Say it.
I'm really cautious.
Yes.
Well, I tried to be really cautious.
Oh my god,
nothing works out if you.
Yeah, nothing works out for Hannah.
Hey, you. That's not nice.
Oh god, is this gonna?
No. Okay, so I'm just mixing this in.
How
is your butter slime?
Mine is actually really good. Mine's actually turning into butter slime.
Mine isn't yet because I am being too cautious. I need to add some more of this one. That's what I'm doing. Because I spilled it all over the table.
Yeah. Guys, mine actually turned into butter slime if you guys want to see. But it doesn't make like those. It's like good.
Oh
I'm just gonna add a little bit more, like a pinch more,
so
just because I want it to be extra good butter.
Is turning good. Mine is good. So would you guys like to see my butter slime? Yes, you would. So here's what mine looks like.
So we'll leave her while she's doing hers.
And see, you can mix it, smear it, all of it.
Okay.
So yeah, my butter slime is very good. Right now, I'm just gonna play with it for fun.
So I'm gonna show you my slime.
So remember, this is all laundry detergent.
My slime. I'm gonna put it on the table.
So guys, I'm gonna start working on my pink slime.
I'm done my slimes because I mixed them.
Oh, you did?
I'm actually not done one. Look at this. I got one hand on it. It's a grain. Here, I'll be
Okay,
singing.
guys, comment down below if you know
every
what
day
going
for
ham on
row.
Instagram means.
Well, it's on Fortnite.
Oh.
So it's like a YouTuber. That's her intro.
Guys, it's every
we have an intro?
day bro.
Okay.
It's every day
Bro,
bro.
what's every day, bro? Without any general bro?
They're Jake Paulers. I'm no Paulers. And then
I
they're low
love-
gangsters. They're huge low gangsters.
No, we hate Logan Paul.
Logan Paul is
Paul
the
is-
worst.
We
That's
like
not
Jake
nice.
Paul.
That's not nice.
Not
guys.
Logan.
Well, this is going on YouTube, so Logan, make sure to
That's not.
go where you belong.
That's not nice.
And Jake Paul, keep on doing what you're doing.
Don't listen to your brother.
Yeah. He'll give you bad directions.
That's not very nice. So
Bad
my pink slime has
So
came together.
Logan,
I'll show you. Okay, so
I
mine's
can
all
also
together. I'll show you guys what mine looks like.
Mine is, guys,
So mine
very good, guys.
It's very smooth.
So, guys, again, this is very easy
Great
to make.
slime. Okay.
Don't put any more.
So yeah.
it's a good one. This is how it pokes.
Whoa.
It's actually really good.
Would you just stop, Haley?
I never thought this would really actually work, because this is actually my first time making it.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Haley will buck.
It's sick to the. You guys listen.
Okay, show them your next one. So this is her golden one.
My golden one didn't really work.
Make sure to
Subscribe and like.
and share with all your magnificent friends. So yeah.
Keep on dabbing all those haters.
Dab on
And
those haters.
You have, and
Yeah.
don't care what other people think
Oh
about you.
yeah, and don't subscribe to Logan Paul.
Guess what?
Subscribe to Jake Paul.
Dahmer, Lincoln Ball.
Okay, bye.
Wow,
guys.
fried.